True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Right now at Crane Road, St. Elizabeth. I'm going towards Parity. So enjoy the ride. Sweet Jamaican vibes. As you can see, we're having some good weather today. Very sunny. So I am at Crane Road. On this stretch going to Black River, you have a lot of attraction, a lot of places you can enjoy yourself. You can go to Sandbar. Also can go to Las Vegas, Port of Call Hotel, Cloggies on the beach. Some nice places you can enjoy yourself. So you know, on your right and your left is a lot of morass. As you can see, the left will take you all to Parity, and the right will take you back to Black River, Middle Quarters, also to White House. So enjoy the ride. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. Thanks for tuning into my channel, and please enjoy the tour of Crane Road. So we are about 0.5 kilometers away from Las Vegas Cafe. So welcome to Sandbar. So you can stop right here and have your breakfast, lunch or dinner. And trust me, they do some nice steamed fish, some nice chicken. Nice place to hang out. And also the sea is right behind it. So you all need to stop at Sandbar and enjoy yourself when you come to Jamaica. Also in St. Elizabeth. Yes, right now we're having some bumpy ride due to the terrain. On your left coming up, I'm gonna make a stop right at Port of Call Hotel. So you can enjoy the pool You can enjoy the bar area. You can enjoy everything about it. As you can see, port of call hotel, AC rooms, cable TV, jacuzzi and swimming pool, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So you can make a stop right here. Enjoy the St. Elizabeth vibes. Lots of attraction also in this area. You can also go to Pelican Bar in Paraty. And also you can go on the safari tour. So right now I'm at Las Vegas Cafe. '70 Crane Road, Black River. You can contact 965-9648 if you want to come to Las Vegas Cafe and get all the information you needed. So I'm gonna take you on a tour right over there. Look at the beauty. Welcome to Las Vegas Cafe, home of seafoods. So you all need to visit right here, Las Vegas Cafe. Nice place to hang out. Have the beach right behind it. It's a nice view. So if you want to get married right here, keep your birthday party, you can stop right at Las Vegas Cafe. Just the St. Elizabeth vibes, you know? Yeah, man. And you also can see Pelican Bar from Las Vegas Cafe. Just go behind and you can look over in the sea and you can see Pelican Bar. So welcome to Las Vegas Cafe. You can look at the beauty. So I will be heading back on the main, so I will take you all to Claggies on the beach. On your left, we also have a seashore, South Shore. So you all can stop there. I don't know if it's still open, but it's a South Shore guest house, bar and restaurant. In about few more seconds, I'm gonna take you all to Claggy's on the beach. Claggy's on the beach. Welcome to Claggy's on the beach. So our destination will be on Black River Bridge, St. Elizabeth. So thanks for taking the ride and taking the time out for watching my videos. They used to have a hotel on the left coming up, they used to call it Bridge House. Bridge Housing. So I don't know if it's still in action, it's still in working condition or stuff. I don't know. So on the left coming up, Bridge House Hotel. So it closed today. Like it for sale. And also when you come to Black River, you can get your fish off the boat, and also a rainforest seafood. And please remember this, the safari tour in Black River, so you all need to check it out one day after the coronavirus. So we are now going to enter on Black River Bridge. So that's our destination. Thanks for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.